Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte from Charlotte's House. Today I'm going to show you how I am going to make my own fabric. Stay tuned. I am actually using canvas drop cloth. I love using canvas drop cloth because it's really inexpensive. For about $10 you can typically find a really large piece of it at the hardware store. And what I've done to prep it is I actually soaked this in a mixture with a little bit of bleach just to lighten it up a little bit. Then I've put it in my dryer and I've ironed it. So that's what you're looking at right here. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this sponge dauber, and this sponge is about 1 1/4 inches in diameter, and so I wanna measure out my grid. I'm doing a very graphic pattern. You could definitely freehand it, but for my pattern, I want it to be graphic, so I'm gonna measure. What I'm using is, this is a sewing pen. It's disappearing ink, so I won't see it once I put my paint on top of it, and it's a nice way to mark out my fabric. I finished marking out my grid with that pen, so now I have dots where I want to make my stamp. I'm using this sponge dauber, and what I've done is, this is fabric paint, and I've already mixed a couple colors, but honestly I like the way this looks better when the paint is a little bit messier. So I'm not going to be too precise about it, and so I'm going to start by making sure my sponge is saturated, and then I'm just going to center it on my dot. And I'm just gonna do that all over, just in a random pattern, and hopefully that will work. I've run out of that dark blue, and now I'm not gonna rinse my brush. I'm just gonna move right on to this other blue. And again, I sort of like the effect that that mixed paint makes.